What do you think will happen if you take a piece of paper and cut it exactly the same shape as a $100 bill note, then go to a grocery store and buy some groceries worth $100? You'll be in big trouble and won't be able to get those goods. However, if you bring a $100 bill to the same grocery store, you will be welcomed by the salesperson. So what exactly makes a $100 bill worth $100? Why does everyone want to get as many dollar bills as they can when it's just a piece of paper? That is what we will be discussing in today's video. What is money and what makes it valuable? Welcome to Millionaire Mindset. So first and foremost, what exactly is money? Money is simply a widely accepted medium of exchange. It's a means of getting what you want with what you already have. Prior to the introduction of money, goods were exchanged directly for goods through the barter system. But the barter system had some drawbacks. The main one was the problem of double coincidence of wants, in which someone with fish but needs rice would have to look for someone with rice but needs fish. Money, however, solved the problem. So if money is just a medium of exchange, it can be anything like salt, a bag, or a cow, as long as everyone accepts it as a medium of exchange. And that is exactly what money was before the introduction of paper or fiat money. Paper money was created because it is more durable, portable, divisible, and uniform than any other types of money, such as commodity money or metallic money. Aside from serving as a medium of exchange, money serves three primary functions. 1. Money is a store of value. This means that money can be saved and used for future transactions. So $25 today is still $25 tomorrow. 2. Money is a unit of account. This means that money is used to demonstrate the relative worth of goods and services. This allows everyone in the market to know how much goods are worth. 3. Money is a standard of deferred payment. This means that people can take out loans, borrow money, or make other payments in the future with money. It is an acceptable method of measuring and paying off debt. Now that you understand what money is, the next question is what gives money its value? Money isn't valuable in and of itself, it's just a piece of paper. So why would you give someone a $100 bill and then receive goods worth $100? Simply put, trust is what gives money its value. A $100 bill is what it is because the government issued the note as a physical representation of the concept of $100. And everyone believes that if they take that $100 bill note to the market, they will be able to obtain goods worth that amount. The certainty that other people will accept the $100 bill in exchange for gold and services is what makes the bill valuable. So the salesperson would accept your $100 bill and give you $100 worth of goods because he knows he can use that $100 bill to get goods elsewhere. People want money not for the sake of having money, but for what they can buy with it to meet their needs. So if everyone can meet their needs without the need for exchange, money will be worthless. That, however, is not possible. That is the purpose of exchange, trade, and money. So in essence, money is just a medium of exchange that is valuable due to the trust that everyone has in the monetary system. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. See you in the next video.